2005 Chevy Corvette 6.0 liter. Really clean car, only got 70,000 miles on it. And it's in mint. Anyways, what it's got on it, factory converters there and there. Then what we put on it, they had a factory H-pipe. Where is it? On the ground outside, we'll show it to you guys. So we replaced it with a beautiful X-pipe to reduce exhaust scavenge and just give it a little bit more deeper tone. Then it's got 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. And another local muffler shop in Murfreesboro did a muffler delete there and put some black tips on it. Quads right there, as you guys can see. So there'll be a link in the description for the X-pipe. And we'll see if we can find you some for the tips too. They're pretty clean looking. There's the factory H-pipe that comes on it. Right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And it's stick shift, guys. What do you think? Better? Again? That sounds deep, man. Here's sound decibels again. Again. Right at 109. That's not bad. That sounds really good. That sounds amazing. You're on the inside. Oh, that sounds so good. Chevy Corvette.